Hey, okay, so we're gonna go with this one. My package came from SHEIN. Not that I need any more clothes, but it's like if I'm gonna buy it anyway, I might as well get it at a cheaper price, right? And they have so many cool things on there. I personally never got anything for myself up there. I bought this. This is like the solution. This is my other video. This is like a less than 30-second eyeshadow hack for those who wants to wear makeup, just cut and paste. Um, yeah, it's really, really freaking easy. Anyway, I don't think this is everything. I want to unpack it with you guys and see if it's worth it. See if I don't have to give all my money to the stores, and this is gonna be my go-to. Yeah, so let's get into it. I'm so excited. And another thing, I don't know my size up there because sometimes when you order online, sometimes things could run bigger, could run smaller. I hope that it fits. I feel like it. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. I see the orange. Okay. Comes in a lot of plastic. They protect your clothing. Let me see. I love clothes. Hold on. Oh, okay. Ooh. What size is this? I know me. And hold on. I don't know if you guys can see. This is something that I got. And I got, in the stores I get a small, but for some reason, I was looking at the reviews and I got extra small. And this looks like, hold on. Let me try it on. Hey, so I love it. Thank God I got the extra small because I would have needed a small in a regular store for this. I love it. The only thing, okay, so I'm not gonna wear this bra color. Obviously, I'll probably get like an orange or like one of them nude pasty things. The only thing that I would change is I thought in the back, the cheeks ain't hanging, but they almost, it's good, but I probably would have had it a little bit longer, but she's still gonna be worn, so I would give this like a 9 out of 10. And then it's like a bell bottom arm piece. It's really cute. I don't know if you guys could see. It's really cute. I can't wait to keep this on and try the next one. Let me make sure we still good. Hey, y'all still here with me, right? Don't get tired, we just getting started. The whole bag to go through. This bad boy. Oh, okay. I forgot. Dang, I ordered so much stuff. I forgot what I ordered. But wait a minute. Okay, I'm like, was this the one where I ordered the small size as well? Okay, so this is the black version. I don't gotta try it on. It would be the same thing in black. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, this might be everything. I know earlier I mentioned that it wasn't. Okay, let's I will have to look at my cart. Okay. This was a top and bottom. I had bought, I'm like, cause I'm not wearing no other color bra. Like if it's not orange, like it only is right. This is the top and bottom that I'm gonna put on with this. All right. I didn't really get to look at it because I wanted to show you guys today. So I don't know who watching. It's pretty. I'm gonna try it on later by myself. Something white. Okay. Wait a minute now. I totally thought that. Okay, this is it's summertime too, so like I bought like different pieces. I'm gonna try this one on. The quality, it is different than what it was showing. This looks more like a cotton. I don't know why, or maybe I just wasn't reading it, but I thought that it was more like of a silk quality, honestly. Like this, like that soft, than more cotton. Wait for me, guys. I'm gonna try this one and see how it looks. Okay, so I didn't tie it all the way because I can't wait to see what the next piece is to get out of it. I didn't feel like, anyways. I'm not too sure about this one. I understand that it's summer. Once again, my cheeks is almost out in the back, and I don't mind, but what it appears online, it seems like it's a little longer. And then also, like I said, just the like the quality of it, I thought it was gonna be more silkier. It's not my favorite. I would probably give this one I would give it like a 6 or 7 out of 10. On to the next. Uh, once again, okay. These are the shirts. I'm not gonna try this one. I'm gonna try it on after. But it's a really nice, sexy one of them bodysuit shirts. I don't know if you can see the back. Once again, though, I didn't think that it was this material. But it looks pretty. I will have to try it on. So far, it looks nice. I think I got another one in white. Not too sure. Okay, this is the bodysuit version. I'll be back. I do want to try this one on. It's already looking short, but I just want to see how it fits. 1 second. Okay, guys, she's cute. I don't know if you can see the back. The only thing is, and actually, I remember I did buy bra sets that, because I bought shirts like this that's really pretty in the back, but exposed, I did buy like them half bra sets with the clear background, so it won't look crazy. I probably would give her, just because I'm trying to be a change woman. This is almost at the length that I'm trying to change. For me, I would probably give her, she has a pretty back, right? I probably would give her like an 8.5 out of 10. What is, oh, okay. I think this is a white dress. Yeah. Once again, okay, so this is the white dress. SHEIN, you guys, I mean, don't get me wrong. These things are cheap. And sometimes you get things that is like the photo is not, you kind of get what you pay for. But the way they do have it up there is as if it's that silky, soft material where I feel like these are like giving more cotton. And I don't dislike it, but I wanted what I wanted, right? So let's see how she fits. I'll be back. Okay, I don't have her all the way tied up, but as you can see, that's how it's fitting. Somebody did recommend in the comments that if you're slim, to go for the extra, like the smaller size that they had there. I did take that advice. I'm not sure if it's made to be flary at the bottom. I would have preferred it to be that whole tight mermaid look, only because when I do shop in stores, they do have, for us slim girls, that tight mermaid feel at the bottom. And it could just be that this dress is just made not to be that way. But the back is pretty, and I could work with it, like a real comfortable look. I would give her 8 out of 10, only because if I was to see this in the store, I would try it on, but just because it's not fitting the way I want it to, that's why she's not getting an 9 and definitely not a 10. And also it's like misleading with the quality that it was supposed to be, but she has potential. I hope you guys are still with me, because we're almost done. Oh, this is one of the bras that I was telling you that it's the half back, so we'll go with the white dresses that the back is out. I was supposed to get a black one. I don't know if I took it out already. This is something black. Okay, this is similar to the other black one that I had got, but just a different back. Pretty. I don't think that I need to try it on. Same issue, different quality, right? This is another one of them nice pretty shirts. Okay, this is the white version of the shirt that I had bought, like the bodysuit type of shirt, but the back is just so freaking pretty. It's like, girl, I don't want to see your face. Let me see your back. Pretty. What is this bad boy? Okay. Oh, wait, I forgot about this. Okay, this is the dress. This is a really pretty dress. This is more given the material that I thought the rest of this was going to be. It's not as silky, but it's not as cottony. So we're going to try this on. I'll be back. Let me see. Oh, child. I don't know how y'all be doing reviews and don't get thirsty. I'm over here. I'm thirsty. Look, I'll be back. Actually, when I walk away, you guys can see the back, and I'm going to show you everything. All right, let me get into it. I like her, and you guys could see for yourself why I like her. I'm going to fix that later with the appropriate undergarment. She's pretty for the price. The bag is nice. Some nice heels. Nice bag will top everything off. I would give her, just because of the price and everything else, I probably would give her because it's pretty. I'll give her a 10 out of 10. I like this one. The only thing is, in the stores, I'm a small. SHEIN, thank God I got everything extra small. Thank God, because I like my things tight. It's like, fluctuate the hips, baby. But, yeah, I like her. I give her a 10 out of 10. Okay, what else we have in here? I think this is one of the bras. Yeah, with the clear strap bras. This is something else. I'm going to show you guys the clothes. Okay, actually, I have to look in my cart to make sure that they delivered everything. What else I got? I think I was telling you guys about my makeup. I got this in addition to the eyeshadow. It just came at a later time, which is okay because the eyeshadow does wonders. I don't know if you guys can see it. These are like eyeliner strips. So instead of the shadow, and you want an eyeliner strip, it's like rhinestones on there. It's so pretty. I've used it before. That's the green. It looks better in person. Yeah, this looks better in person than it did in my cart, but only because I know how it looked from another store, but I didn't know how it looked on SHEIN. This is gold, and you can't go wrong with, like, if you want a simple black liner. I love it though. I'm gonna wear it today. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't think there's any more clothes. If anything, I'll just come back. But thank you. If you made it to the end, thank you. If you didn't make it to the end and you fast forward, rewind and start over. Please like, comment, share, subscribe for more. When you guys do that, you guys are helping, because then YouTube's gonna be like, oh, she's favorable, and let's get me on that algorithm so you guys can see me do, I don't know, different things, whatever I come up for the day. So to answer the main question though, will I stop shopping in the store and just order off SHEIN? No, I still have to go to the store to see things in person. I don't like shopping for clothes online because of sometimes things are misleading. You don't know your size. And for that reason, I still stick with, I have to go to the store to see things. But obviously online, they have things that the stores don't. So I would do it for that reason. But hey, for the price, you guys will be getting more of my money. No problem, no problem. But thank you. Bye.